Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So, in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how you can make 32,000 naira using your mobile phone online. You can make 32,000 naira online with your mobile phone from the comfort of your home. Now, it doesn't matter whether you are not a tech somebody or whether you have a skill or whether you don't have a skill. This website, anybody can sign up on this website, and it is easy to make money on this website. In fact, they pay you directly into your bank account. So, if this looks like a content that you like or you love getting notification on, please do well to hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So, without much wasting of our time, we'd just like to get right into you. So, the first thing I'll be doing right here is I'll be minimizing my tab here. I'll minimize my tab here, open a new tab. This is Chrome browser, mind you. This is Chrome browser. So, I'll just be clicking on a website. The name of the website is NAIRAWORKER. NAIRAWORKER. So the name of this website is NAIRAWORKER, and if you stick with me to the end, I will show you how you can make more money. I will explain to you or show you how you can make more money using this same website. In fact, a lot of people have been using the same website to make more money on Instagram, on TikTok, on different social media platform, and this is what I'll be sharing with you guys in this video as well. So stick with me to the end of this video so that you get more valuable content from this video. So as you can see, this is NAIRA Naira, NAIRA workers, WORKERS. This is NAIRAWORKER. Now, what they do on this website is they have gigs that you can do. It is just like a freelancing website. You understand? You come on this website, you do small gigs, and you get paid. Now, the small gigs might be maybe like doing social media tags. Well, I don't even have to explain. Let's just sign up on this website. The first thing you have to do here is to click on this register button. So once you click on this register button, the registration process is very simple. You input your first name, you input your last name, you input the username that you want to use, and then you input your email, and then I'll be dropping a referral code in the description box that you can use. I'll drop the link and the referral code in the description box that you can use. So you have to input your referral code here. The next thing is you create a password and you repeat the password again by inputting the same password. Then you sign up. The sign up is as simple as that. Well, I cannot sign up again because I already have account with them and I don't want them to block my account. The next thing I'll just do here is to click on login. So once I click on login, I will input my details and I will click on login. So this is how the platform looks like. What you do here basically, as you can see, it says you can hire a lot of workers on this website and you can perform simple or small tasks on this website. Now let's take a look at what their tax dashboard looks like. So I just come to this three dots and let me broad it so that you guys will see. I'm using a desktop format on my Chrome browser. So I will click on this available jobs. Once I click on the available jobs, it will load all the available jobs for me. So right now, as you can see, let me turn it to mobile phone so that everybody will see. Right now, as you can see, there are a lot of available jobs on this website that you can do for free. You get people come on this website and post jobs that you can do. As you can see, this particular one says you should join a WhatsApp group and it's paying you 7 naira. So if you get to do like 10 of this one, let's just say like 70 naira, and then you get to do Telegram to like 10, as you can see it pays 8 naira, like 10, that's like 80 naira. This is another WhatsApp job again. Now this join WhatsApp TV is also 8 naira, that's like 18 naira. That's I'm just analyzing, like if you get to do 10, 10, 10 of each. Now that is not where the main money is. So I'll be explaining to you where the main money is when we are done with this particular analysis. This one, WhatsApp join again. WhatsApp join, a lot of WhatsApp TV join. So this Forex trading masterclass join, Facebook page follow. Forex trading masterclass is 70 naira. Facebook page follow is 25 naira. We have Telegram channel 7 naira. We have cassava network registration, that's 80 naira. We have join the group using this link, 7 naira. In fact, the list goes on and on and on and on and on like that, as you can see, and on like that. So the next thing here that we need to check in with is to set up your profile. Yeah, you need to set up your profile. Your profile is quite easy for you to set up. It's not that much, but you can just, update one or two things under your profile. Get, as you can see, this account I've had it like 9 months ago, so it is not a new account. So when I tell you that we don't pay for this online street, don't doubt me, leave the street for us. You understand? Don't doubt me, we don't pay for this online street. As you can see, it said joined 9 months ago. So what I'm just saying here, the major thing I want us to look at here that I said that you can use to double all your earnings is for you to be the one posting the job. You understand? Let it load here. I will try to explain to you. This place where it says hire many random workers, that is where the main money is. Do you need 500 likes or 300 followers or 200 signups? You can run a small job and ask workers to like your Facebook post, watch a video, subscribe to a YouTube channel, recruit retweet, follow, install Android app, and much more. Now, a lot of Nigerians are making money using this strategy. They call it marketing. Let me show you, for instance, let me show all you have to do is to either open a TikTok account for this type of job or open an Instagram account. Let me show you the type of what I'm trying to see. I will have to minimize here, and I want to show you guys on Instagram. This is Instagram. So let me check in with likes.ng. Yeah, this is likes.ng. Now these particular people, this is their major work. As you can see, they have over 100,000 followers. They are influencers, they are marketing strategy, they are consultant. What they do is they tell you, okay, we'll help you. You will increase your visibility, your engagement for you on your social media page, and you pay us. This is what they do. We increase your social media engagement and you pay us, maybe by increasing like, what social media service do you need today? As you can see, maybe by increasing the like, increasing the followers, whatever it is that you know that you can do, all you just need to do is open a TikTok or an Instagram account and start running something like this. Then when a client hires you, now here is the deal. A client might hire you for, okay, maybe like TikTok. Now a lot of people on TikTok are looking for how they can get to 1,000 followers. How they can get to 1,000 followers so that they will start live stream. Now you can charge as high as maybe like 50k or 40k on the 1,000 followers. Or okay, let's just say we don't even want to hype it. You understand? We don't even want to hype it because some of you will be like, no, we can't pay that much. Let's just say like 30,000 naira or 40,000 naira for 1,000 followers. Now let's multiply it. I'm coming. Let me open my calculator. Now for a follower on NAIRAWORKER, that's 8 naira. Can you see that's 8 naira? Now, when we multiply 8 naira times 1,000 naira, this is 8,000 naira. And be sure of the fact that everybody will click because you need to approve it. So everybody will click and follow that account. So let's just say we decide to say, okay, because of miscellaneous, let's go with 1,001. Now your money is 8,800 and you are charging, if we are to use the minimum, we are charging 30,000 naira. 30,000 naira for 1,000 followers. That is a whooping interest of 21,000 naira. Do you get me? This is where the money is. 20k, you will still see your money. If you charge 15,000, you still get more interest. But people are charging 30, 40k for TikTok followers. Because once you start making your TikTok live streams, they know that definitely you start making money. And this is what these particular people are doing. This live.ng, you pay them to increase your subscribers, your followers, your just to sponsor you and all those kind of things. You understand? That is the major way to make money. Like that is the major way to multiply your income on Naira workers. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell because I've got juicy content for you guys that will enable you to make money right from the comfort of your home. So guys, as you can see, you can also do as many tasks as you want. Just try and log in on Naira workers every day. Try and log in on Naira workers every day and do all the available tasks that you know that you can do. You understand? That will be all about Naira workers. So guys, let me know if you signed up on this website. Let me know if you like it. Moreover, the link will be in the description, and the referral code will also be in the description, so you can just click the link and sign up or use the referral code. So let me know what you think about this website in the description, and please like this video if you find it useful. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.